Autoline at CES is brought to you by Borg Warner, Intrepid Control Systems, and by Gentex.
Ash Sutcliffe is the head of communications with Geely, the Geely Holding Group. We're here at Las Vegas for CES, and here's Geely with a bunch of its different models from its different brands. And so my question to you, Ash, is why is Geely in the United States and bringing in a bunch of American media to look at its products?
Well, to be honest, CES is the absolute birthplace of technology. It's where you guys showcase the best technology, the best automobile products, and at the same time, we wanted to bring our products here to let you guys experience them, to let you see what Chinese cars are like, and show you the best of what Geely Holding Group can bring to the USA.
Yeah, no, the products are very impressive, very well built out, nice use of materials, the fit and finish is excellent. So we know all that, or certainly a lot of our Autoline viewers know that. But is Geely looking to come to the U.S. market, that you want U.S. media interested in these products?
Right now we're looking at all global markets where we can expand. We're currently very strong in China. We're developing strong in Southeast Asia. Europe is very stable. But the big question for us is when and where will we go to the USA? I think we will have an announcement on that in the next 24, 36 months. So I think it's exciting times for Geely Holding Group.
Very exciting, very. But as you know, with the tariffs and the stance of the current administration, that seems to suggest to me you would have to build cars in the U.S.
I think every political bloc, every major trade bloc has its own set of issues, and as a global company, you have to work around them or work with them.
Have you approached any states or looked for any sites to be able to build cars here?
Not yet, but as you probably know, Geely Holding Group is the major shareholder in Volvo Cars, and they have a strong facility in South Carolina. So if we wanted to work with them, we would approach Volvo Cars and see if we could share their facility.
Yeah, very interesting. As you also know, the U.S. has introduced regulations that would prevent any cars from using Chinese technology that has any kind of connectivity to it. How do you get around that?
Well, every country has very strong data protection laws and regulations in place, and as a global company, it's your duty to follow these rules and regulations, and I think Geely Holding would absolutely follow the letter of the law here.
Yeah, well, obviously would follow the letter of the law, exactly. So you said in the next 2 to 3 years you'll have an announcement. How do you lay the groundwork to make sure that you can pull something like that off?
Well, first of all, you have to bring your products to markets like, you have to bring your products to events such as CES and get your guys' opinions and then take it from there. But overall, from what we're seeing so far, there's strong demand for affordable, premium and luxury vehicles. So I think we're in a good place to offer the American consumer something very different.
And Geely obviously has a number of brands. Which brand do you think would be best for the U.S. market?
Well, we already have Polestar here, we have Volvo Cars here, we have Lotus here. So I think there's always going to be demand for more diversity. So possibly Zeekr, Lincoln Co., we would look at these brands.
Lincoln Co. very much sounds like Lincoln. You anticipate any problems with the brand?
No. Lincoln Co. is already 10 years old, and we've sold over 1 million vehicles. So I don't think there's any issue here.
Got it. What am I missing, Ash? What else would you like to tell the Autoline audience?
What else would I like to tell the Autoline audience? I think our products, you have to come out and test them for yourselves and make your own decisions.
Well, I'm going to cut this interview short now because I want to get in and test some of your products.
Go check out the Zeekr X and the Zeekr 001 and the Zeekr 7X that's coming in now. These products are fantastic. So the 7X is basically a 800-volt super fast charging car with super luxury performance.
Yeah.
So go check it out.
Well, good. Ash, thanks so much for your time.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
The automotive industry continues to evolve, and so do the opportunities to define it. Borg Warner, one of the world's most admired companies, gets its partners where they need to go. Let's do something big, together.